All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Constant Spring Football Field for another match in the JFF Premier League playoffs. And this is Lime Hall from St. Anne and Molynes United from Kingston and St. Andrew Football Federation. And they're going to face off. Molynes United, they've had 2 wins out of 2. And one of them we actually did. And that match was against Wadada. And now they come for their 3rd. Whilst the Lime Hall, they're coming for their 4th. And they've drawn 1 and lost 2. Their first match was a 0-0 draw. Then they lost 3-0. And then they lost by 3-1 in their last match. So this is their 4th here today. And they'll be looking to get a victory, Lime Hall, but Molynes United will be looking to continue to roll on as they face off. So this is drizzling conditions here at Constant Spring, and they will be continuing in this condition. We were in this condition last week, but this is the same condition this week. So just to give you the lineups, first from Lime Hall, we have Zidane Brown, Leon Evans, Kimani Hilton, Akiv Hines, Mikali McCoy, Andrew Dixon, Rowan Sewell, Maurice Mitchell, Shaquille Wallace, Histon Henry, he's in goal, and it seems to be Koksani Brian. And then on the bench, Giovanni Tullock, Romain Francis, Romario Smith, Jaden McIntosh, Travis Irons, Shamario Horton, and Javal Stoddart. And that is the lineup and bench for Lime Hall. And now for Molynes United, we have Sergina Frankson. He's the captain. Then we have Leon Taylor. He's in goal. Keith Wright, Akeem Stewart, Fakibe Farquharson, Jermaine Reed, Tyreek Wilson, Patrick Shaklood, who scored in the match against Wadada, scored twice in the match against Wadada. Then we have Ryan Brown, Ronaldo Smith, Otis Friend. That rounds up the starting 11. Then we have Navardo Thomas, Chadwick Prawl. Then we also have Romario Williams, Rafik Green, Kevin Lewis, Peter Green, and Thorne Buchanan. So that rounds off the starting and bench for Molynes United. And so the referee has blown her whistle. And the referees for today, Crystal Sobers, and the first assistant is Jacek Kerr, second assistant Rickton Archer, and the fourth official Carvel Banton. And Crystal Sobers is actually from Trinidad and Tobago. So that's something to take a look at as we see Limehall with possession now. And the man Brian tried to lob that ball forward, and Molynes will have possession through Frankson. So Gina Frankson on the ball, sends it across, finds his teammate. He sends it forward to try and find Ryan Brown. And he was challenged by Hilton, so it goes out for a throw to Molynes United. Taken quickly, now it's with Keith Wright. Patrick Critul tried to send it across to Keith Wright, but Limehall has possession. Hines sends it forward. It's still Limehall, but they give up possession. Keith Wright gives up possession again. Now it's with Hines. Hines sends it across. Sewell sends it further across. And now Limehall can go forward, but they are challenged. And it's still possession Limehall, but not the best passes. Keith Wright will collect. He does. Sends it forward. And it's just a back and forth in terms of possession. Hines loses it for Limehall. Possession now. And a shot. Oh, that was close. What a save there by the man Leon Taylor. Pushed it out. And that was a first real opportunity for either side in the match so far. And Limehall will be looking to get their first victory here in the JFF Premier League playoffs. Hasn't had the best record, but they'll be looking to turn it around. Just over 2 minutes in, as the referee blows his whistle. And apparently there was something on the field. And now it's a cross swung in, headed in. Oh, there was an appeal for handed ball there by the man McCoy. Thought that Georgina Frankson handled it inside the box, but the referee says no, it's another corner. So Limehall pressuring Molynes United, the CASAFA Super League champions. And as I said, Limehall be looking to get their victory, or their first victory here in the JFF Premier League playoff, while Molynes United would look to make it 3 wins from 3 matches. The first match they won by 2 goals to 0. Their second match they won by 3 goals to 2. So will this be a draw? Will this be a loss? We're not sure, as we see that ball kicked out for a throw. Taken quickly by Brian. And it goes out. The referee says it's a throw again to Limehall. And the man Andrew Dixon will be looking to take this through this time. Through. There's a jostle for possession. And that ball sent forward, but headed back there by Dixon. And Hines tried to latch on, but couldn't. Headed out there by the man Leon Evans. Limehall still has possession, but they lose it. And the referee says last touch by Tyreek Wilson, and it will be a throw to Limehall. In case you're wondering, Molynes United is in full black with green writing. Limehall is black and red. Beautiful turn there. Referee says it's a foul. Sobers hands a free kick to Limehall, taken quickly. Intercepted by Molynes United. Boston forward to find Otis Friend. Friend twists and turns, tries to get by the man Rowan Sewell. It's still Otis Friend who sends that ball forward. That's not a bad ball. Keith Wright latches on. Nobody there to challenge him. all alone. But they get the ball right back, Lime Hall. And they give it away. And they get it back. Sewell. His ball intercepted. And there's a foul. And Sewell says it is a free kick. So, very little action after about 2.5 minutes or so. But Lime Hall sure that they've been pressing and they've attacked so far in this match. Now an opportunity for Molynes United to get the first goal of the contest. In hindsight, it will be the 6th goal for them in this whole Premier League playoffs. And 50% have been scored by the man Otis Friend, and that was a very poor free kick taken. And the rain is coming down here at Constant Spring. I'm not sure if this is just a regular thing. Beautiful turn there by Dixon, but he gives the ball away. Tyreek Wilson set forward. Ryan Brown tried to latch on, but defensive work there by Lime Hall. Hines in the mix. And now an opportunity for Molynes United. Ball sent forward. And this is an opportunity. Otis Friend couldn't latch on to that one in time. The referee says it's a corner. Or it's a goal kick. It's a goal kick for Lime Hall. Lime Hall.
If I don't make police search, I don't name Smith.
And if that wasn't the best clearance there by the captain, Sergina Frankson, goes behind, and it will be a corner for Lime Hall. Opportunity again presented for Lime Hall to go in front. 50-50 so far. Headed, and a shot there. Just wide of the target. Another good opportunity for Lime Hall. Molynes United have to be careful. At no point in this competition have they gone behind first. Headed out, collected. Now it's with Wallace. Wallace leaves it for Mitchell, but couldn't latch on to that one. Molynes United has possession. Otis Friend, his ball is intercepted. Now it's with Hines. Hines lays it off. That was wayward there by the man Sewell. They have possession through Sewell once more. Leon Evans sends that one across, but it's intercepted. Molynes United through Otis Friend now can go forward. Intercepted brilliantly there by the man Brian. But it goes into touch, and it will be a throw to Molynes United. Molynes United, Otis Friend. He's being challenged. Sends that one inside, but intercepted by Lime Hall. Brilliant work there. And that ball sent forward, and they can attack. Ball sent across to find Hines. Hines on the ball. It's being locked for him. And Hines has it now. Swung inside the 18-yard box, but headed out by Molynes United. Otis Friend will collect. Lays it off there for Tyreek Wilson. Sends it across for Akeem Stewart. Sends it up, and it's intercepted again by the St. Anne-based team. Sergina Frankson. Keith Wright. Ball intercepted by Dixon. Still Dixon. Doesn't have the best of paces, but he knows how to go forward, but his ball intercepted. Ball sent across to find Tyreek Wilson. Wilson on the ball now. He's being challenged. Ball sent forward, trying to find Ryan Brown, but couldn't. Hilton sends it forward, and it's collected. Now it's Keith Wright. Chips that ball across. Ball headed on, but again, can't head that one out of danger. Molynes United have pressed so high so far. Ball sent to the far side. Sent inside, an opportunity. Defensive work there by Lime Hall. Collected. And last touch there by the man Shaquille Wallace. It's a throw for Molynes United. Just over 13 and a half minutes gone. Not much here in this contest. No goals scored yet. But if there's any indication, Lime Hall for sure not afraid of Molynes United. They have pressed very, very well. And almost got a couple of goals here. One just wide of the target. Lime Hall has possession, defensive work there, sent that ball way upfield and collected by Akeem Stewart, who didn't even control it, just put that ball up forward. Stewart now sends it to Otis Friend. His ball intercepted there by the man Andrew Dixon. It goes behind and it will be a throw for Molynes United. It was actually 10 and a half minutes when I indicated the time to you. It's now almost 12 minutes gone here in the first half. And it's still Molynes United 0, Lime Hall CC 0. Brilliant defensive work there to gain possession, but they do give it back. And beautiful work there to give it to Mansuel. Now Hines with a shot, and another shot. Oh, that was close again. Lime Hall, they're pressuring Molynes United, and that is very, very close. That is close. They could have gone ahead again. That's their third real opportunity, Lime Hall, and they see an Ann-based team just inching closer to getting that opening goal for themselves and in this matchup. Molynes United not defending well particularly, and they all were almost made to pay on the third occasion. And it out. Wallace tried to latch on. Now it's about 13 minutes gone in this contest. See, I've realized Tyreek Wilson sends it across to Akeem Stewart. Stewart on the ball now. Sends it forward to find Wilson once more. Molynes United try as they might. They can't. They just can't get a ball forward. They do have possession, however. Ryan Brown tries to latch on, but he's hounded by two Lime Hall players. Not the best clearance, but no. He tries it again and it works. Falls to Hines. Hines sends that ball across. It's a jostle for possession between the two number 8s. That's Maurice Mitchell and Akeem Stewart. It's a throw, however. Patrick Shaklood scored twice in the 3-2 win against Wadada Football Club. Ball sent forward now to Ryan Brown, but defensive work there. It goes behind. And you can see the level of disappointment on the face of Ryan Brown. So you would say advantage Molynes United, because they have 2 wins so far in 2 matches. So you have to say kudos to them for what they've done. It went from just, and there was a call for the foul committed, and that was sent back to the keeper, Houston Henry. And that ball sent forward now. Headed on there, and now it will be collected by Mitchell. It's Maurice Mitchell. He's being challenged by Frankson. Miscommunication there, and he falls to Tyreek Wilson. And that ball too much for the man Otis Friend. Ball sent forward now. Mitchell, he's being challenged. Ronaldo Smith collects. Now it's with Akeem Stewart. Tries to get by the Limehall player. Tyreek Wilson. Otis Friend couldn't latch on. The referee says it's a foul. Sobers gives a free kick to Molynes United. I have to say that the better of the opportunities has fallen to the St. Anne-based team. They've attacked pretty well. And again, Ryan Brown just couldn't latch on, and the man Ryan Brown just cannot get a foot on or a head on or something, and he just can't get a proper shot. He hasn't been the best player for Molynes United. I can tell you that in the Premier League playoffs. When we talk about the playoffs in terms of the CASAFA Super League, he was one of their main players, but ever since the Premier League playoffs has started last week Wednesday, he hasn't been the best player. I would say Otis Friend has been very important for Molynes United. Brilliant work there, and that ball sent forward, but it will be collected there, but it seems to be Keith Wright. And it is. He turns.
So you just twist this. Are you okay?
So, straight back to the goalkeeper, Leon Taylor. Thrown over to find Akeem Stewart. Stewart sends it forward. Now it's with Ryan Brown. Sends it across. And no ball forward to Ryan Brown, but he just couldn't latch on to that one. Kimani Hilton almost gave that ball back to Ryan Brown, but goes behind, and it will be a corner, it seems, to Molynes United. Just over 17 minutes gone in this contest. Less than 28 minutes to go here in the first half of the JFF Premier League playoffs. And now a race forward there by Limehall. Opportunity to attack. Ball sent across. This is not a bad ball in the end. And an opportunity, but collected there by Leon Taylor. That almost fell to the man, O'Keefe Hines. Keith Wright for Molynes. Looking for a pass. Put it on. Tyreek Wilson sends it across. Finding no one but the goalkeeper, the man Houston Henry. Thrown quickly. Referee stops the play. There's a player down on the field. It actually is the goalkeeper, Henry. And there's another player down on the field. It's actually Kimani Hilton. Still being attended to. So he's still being attended to, the man Hilton. He took his left shoe or his left boots off, and he probably won't be able to continue this match. So very early in this contest. So it will be a drop ball by Sobers. Ballsing forward. King still will try to latch on. He's being challenged by Sewell. It goes out. Through taken quickly. So it's the skipper. Keith Wright. Wilson almost loses possession. Collected by Dixon. Sent across. And a step there by the player. And the referee says it's a throw. Collected again by Dixon. Defensive work somewhat by Molynes. And it will be a throw for Limehall. Ryan Brown on the ball now. And there's a foul. Ryan Brown, who's trying to get himself involved as much in this match. He is the center forward for Molynes United. Opportunity now presented for Molynes United to salvage something here. And a shot at goal, just wide of the target. Quickly taken here. The goal kick for Limehall, lobbed forward. And nothing coming of that pass there. And it's a throw. Oh, 1-2 pass brilliantly there. Goes into touch and it will be a throw for Limehall. Just over 23 minutes gone. Just under 22 minutes to go here in the first half. It's still a stalemate at Constant Spring Football Field. Just for possession. No foul. Ball sent forward. This is a brilliant ball for Patrick Shaklood. And it's still Patrick Shaklood. Side netting. What an opportunity. But what a piece of defending there by Limehall to prevent Shaklood from scoring his third of the playoffs. One of the best, if not the best opportunity for Molynes United. Boston forward brilliantly there by the man Fakibe Farquharson, and Shaklood latched on easily. And that was a very good opportunity, but the man Leon Evans prevented a shot from going further. Frankson on the ball, no, sends it forward. And Limehall regains possession. They can cause some problems here. Turning. And the man Wallace couldn't make something of that. And that was with Tyreek Wilson. His ball intercepted by Dixon. Lime Hall still battling to salvage something here. And Wallace did well. Now it's Dixon. Oh, brilliant work to get by the man Wilson. And Hines almost loses it. Dixon once more. And a boot there from Tyreek Wilson. Means it's a throw for Lime Hall. Quickly. Nothing of that from Maurice Mitchell. And again, we look at the brilliant work there by Fakibi Farquharson and a defense-splitting pass to Patrick Shakloud. Could have scored his third of the season, but what a defensive work there by Leon Evans to drift him farther to his left and force him to shoot that one wide of the target. And that ball intercepted. Shot support possession. Otis Friend gets the better of it. Turning, but brilliant work from Lime Hall defensively. They've been very, very good here so far. Wallace loses possession. Now there's a jostle for possession in the air. Ronaldo Smith trying to keep that one on the wraps. The man Otis Friend keeps that one in play. Try to find Ryan Brown, but only finds a Lime Hall football player. Boss it across to find Hines, and a one-time pass there, but it's headed by Akeem Stewart. And now it's the man Hines. That one goes into touch. Now it's a throw for Molynes United. Collected by Otis Friend. Long ball sent across. Will he collect? Oh, beautiful work to keep that one in. Now it's with Fakibi Farquharson. What will he do here? It's still Fakibi Farquharson. Sends it across to find Otis Friend. Brilliant work there by the number 3. But he meets into a very good tackle there by the Lime Hall defender. He tried to send it forward to find Wallace, but meets the boot of the skipper of Molynes, Sergina Franson, who sends it across to find Keith Wright. Wright was challenged by Sewell. Gets by. Now it's Fakibi Farquharson. Ball sent forward to try and find Ryan Brown. Ryan Brown does collect, and a shot there. It's wide, way wide of the target. I'm not sure if he wanted to shoot that one a goal or send that one across to find a teammate, but that was his first real opportunity. Again, the defense splitting pass and collected by Ryan Brown, and I think he went for the shot. So unfortunate that he didn't get that one. Now it's Shaquille Wallace. He was challenged by the man Ronaldo Smith. It goes into touch, and it will be a throw for Lime Hall. So Lime Hall doing pretty well for themselves so far in this matchup. And that was a handed ball. And Tyreek Wilson gives away possession to Lime Hall. Lime Hall with the free kick and an opportunity probably to lap that ball, but there was a jostle for possession, and the man Hines fouls Akeem Stewart, and he's slow to get up, but he's up eventually, and he walks it off. Possession with Lime Hall now. Wallace over to Sewell, and he was fouled. Foul committed by the man Jermaine Reed. Sobers says it's a free kick to Lime Hall. And again, Lime Hall showing no fear at all against Molynes United. And would you believe that the team that Molynes United beat by 2-0 has defeated Lime Hall by 3-1, and a shot at goal collected by the man Leon Taylor. Molynes United, that ball sent forward now to try and find Ryan Brown. Brown chests it well, sends it across, and will this be? No! Straight out the frame of the goal. What an opportunity for Molynes United. Ball deflected there. And what an opportunity for Molynes United to go ahead in this game. And that was a brilliant ball sent across by Ryan Brown. Knew what he was doing. And that was a golden opportunity to put Molynes United ahead. So it's still 0-0 here at Constant Spring. Sent inside, not the best. Passes, collected however by Fakibe Farkison. He's being challenged. And a shot there. And the referee says a penalty. So an opportunity for Molynes United to go ahead in this game after 31 minutes gone in this contest. And the referee, Crystal Sobers, look at the opportunity again for Molynes United. Patrick Shakloud should have put that one away. What an opportunity there for the number 11. And collected by Fakibe Farkas, and he was challenged there by the man Andrew Dixon. And clipped him. I can see why the referee, Sobers, had given a penalty. And the man fouled inside the 18-yard box was the man Ryan Brown. So an opportunity for Molynes United for them to go ahead here for the third time in 3 matches. The others, they didn't trail any at all. There was no equalizer in the 3-2 win against Wadada. And it's the man Sergina Frankson who normally takes their free kicks in the preliminary season in the playoffs for Kasafa Super League and now here in the JFF Premier League playoffs. This is the first penalty that Molynes United have gotten since the JFF Premier League playoffs. Will this be 1-1? Sergina Frankson over the ball. Crystal-like stand-up. And Crystal Sobers blows the whistle. Will this be the first goal scored? And it is 1-0 to Molynes United. Sergina Frankson gets on the score sheet. And he is one of 3 goal scorers here for Molynes United in the JFF Premier League playoffs. Easy as you like from the skipper. And a captain's goal there by the man, the number 14, Sergina Frankson. Never looked in doubt by his confidence in his stand-up, his confidence in his run-up after the whistle was blown by Crystal Sobers. And the confident strike gives them the lead. 1-0 to Molynes United after 34 minutes gone in this encounter here at Constant Spring Football Field. And there were a couple players that were off the field, one of them being Ryan Brown. Now asks Crystal Sobers to come on, and he's been allowed to come on for the start of the kickoff for Lime Hall. Leon Evans sent that ball forward. Ball sent across, Keith Wright. And there was a challenge there on Ryan Brown. So Molynes United head in this contest. This is not the first, not the second, but in fact 3 times they have led. And 3 times they have scored. Opportunity again presented for Molynes. Otis Friend on the ball now. It's still Otis Friend. Oh, and a missed kick there by Otis Friend. And now Limehall regains possession. He's being challenged by Fakibe Farquharson, but he stands his ground. The man Sewell, headed by the goal scorer Frankson. That was with Akeem Stewart. Sent across to find Jermaine Reed. He's being challenged by the man Hines. Keith Wright back to Frankson. Frankson forward now to find Reed. Reed sends that ball over. Finds Stewart. Stewart sends it further for the man Shaklood, who sends it further forward and finds Fakibe Farquharson. He's being challenged. It's still Fakibe Farquharson challenged by Hines. And the referee says no foul. Sent it side. Headed out. And Hines is still down on the field. The man O'Keefe Hines has not moved. And now an opportunity for Molynes United. Swung inside. And it will be collected by the man. It was collected by the man Sewell. And referee now stops play. And there was a hand to the face there by Fakibe Farquharson to the man O'Keefe Hines. And the medical team is there now. With about just under 8 minutes to go in the first half. 37 minutes has just elapsed here at Constant Spring. This is the JFF Premier League playoffs. It is St. Anne versus Kingston and St. Andrew, as Limehall from St. Anne face off against Molynes United from Kingston and St. Andrew. Limehall with possession. Molynes United has it once more. The referee says it's a handled ball by Tyreek Wilson. And Crystal Sobers just speaking to the man Tyreek Wilson, the number 10. Free kick taken.
Put your rough cut on the ceiling, brother. Put your rough cut, man. He's playing somebody. Same man, they don't put it on. Take out some country, who's the one who put on that? Come here, Raina, come back. Look here. You can't turn to Roma. You know, make sure you get my cover the no, you have to die also.
Scoring here. It's coming down even harder at Constant Spring. As we approach 40 minutes, penalty scored by Sergina Frankson, the difference maker here. And Andrew Dixon, last touch by him. Actually, Kimani Hilton. So it is a throw for Molynes United. Fakibi Farquharson sends that ball over. Now it's with Akeem Stewart. Still Akeem Stewart. And this is not a bad run here. And an opportunity. And it's blocked. And it will be a corner for Molynes United. Free kick. Throw. Collected there by Leon Evans. Evans, it's still Evans. He was challenged by Ryan Brown. He gives possession back, but they do have it. Now it's with Minor Keith Hines, sends it forward. Sends it across. Shakloud sends it back for the man Jermaine Reed, who sends it across, trying to find out his friend. He does. Some miscontrol there by McCoy. It goes into touch, and it will be a throw for Lime Hall. So we're approaching 43 minutes, just 2 minutes to go here in the first half, plus added time, of course, that will be added soon by the man Carvel Banton. He's the fourth official. Hines sends it forward, tried to find Wallace. He was fouled, and it will be a free kick in somewhat of a very dangerous position. Somewhat of a dangerous position. And I would think that the person that will strike this one will probably go straight to goal as we approach 44 minutes. Be about 2 minutes probably added on here at the Constant Spring football field. This is JFF Premier League playoffs between Molynes United and Lime Hall. And yes, Molynes United, they're leading by a goal to nil. That penalty was awarded by Crystal Sobers, and it was converted by the man Sergina Frankson, the captain of Molynes United. So I would think he's going straight to goal. Lime Hall with a free kick. And it goes way over the crossbar. And it will be a goal kick for Molynes United. 25 seconds to go. And then added time, obviously. And it's a throw for Molynes United. Half possession for Keebe Farquharson now. Challenged by the man Dixon. Now challenged by Hines. Akeem Hines steps up to the plate in terms of challenges. Ball swinging tight, headed on. Oh, that was close. Another golden opportunity for Molynes United to go 2 ahead. And Ryan Brown presented this time with the opportunity. What an opportunity it was. 2 players actually was inside the 18-yard box. Shaklood and Brown. And Brown just couldn't put that one away. What an opportunity for Molynes United. So they've pressed ahead so far. And it's actually a free kick for Molynes United. Take it quickly by Shaklood. Forward, Otis Friendly's been challenged by McCoy. Sets that one inside, but it's blocked by McCoy. And it goes behind, and it will be a corner. Possibly the last of this first half. Opportunity presented, swung inside, but collected, and that's the last attack here. The last play of the first half. Foul inside the 18-yard box means that there was a penalty and an opportunity awarded, and it was converted by the man Gina Frankton for Molynes United. So at the end of the first half, it is Molynes United, they lead against Lime Hall by a 1-0.
And we are ready.
The role is to continue to drive for the development of the game here. Although players are selected from clubs abroad, they were developed in the league.
They're really quality players and they have really good attitude and you get your money's worth.
This match has turned up several gears. And Benbow on the counter-attack from Mount Pleasant. Benbow tumbles over from the challenge from Simpson. Ball slits through there, the goalkeeper. Benbow over the top.
But look when it comes to him, ball played over the top. Offside, Ricardo Dennis was, but the flag didn't go up. Then it comes to Benbow, first touch, it rides up on him, and Purcell on him in a flash. He had to get rid of the ball quickly. And that's why the shot was harmless in the end. There's Purcell in his line of sight, closing him down.
Benbow, good pace. Still Benbow. Dennis with the effort from just outside the box.
To let that run, there's Campbell going to it, calling for it from Benbow. Gets the call from Ricardo Dennis.
And Marsh battled for the ball. Oh, Benbow does really well here. Wins a corner ball back and gets it. Touch onto the ball, but doesn't prevent Benbow from taking it. Benbow, multiple step overs from Benbow. Shot blocked from Isaacs. Benbow with a rebound.
Oh, this is Benbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Then look at this shot. That was struck with tremendous power on Brian Sharp.
Isaacs. Oh, beautiful turn by Benbow. Daniel Green over the top with the left-footed strike.
Turn from Benbow in midfield. Look at this. Leaves this man for dead. Orlando Brown slips Daniel Green in.
Manning. Benbow. Good pass forward, looking for Hodges. Parchment has seen the end of it.
Junior Flemings
Trying to get more good work in off the bench. Makes a great move.
Flemings looks up, takes a touch to the inside, a second touch, and sends the ball to the back of the net to the far post. Junior Flemings.
It has just been a blast so far. Working with the crew as Junior Flemings shoots through and scores! Finally, Junior Flemings has his moment. Left side. Georgie Ristoff, little flick. Flemings the header! Goal! Here's Junior Flemings now with all the speed in the world. Flemings, oh, tremendous pass to Bonobo for the goal!
To do that, and here's, as we say, they play one in.
Flemings, what a chance against Kirk, and he scored! Junior Flemings out of nothing ends up 1v1 with the keeper. Kirk charged
and scores!
At Bray Hall, this is the chance here, prodded forward. We're in 6, which Calvi looks very interested as well. White boots and all. We'll look to float this one to the near post. Oh, yes! Goal! Well. The former Santos man, Daniel Calvi.
Missed quite easily by BDF, but I'm very, very encouraged by the way both teams have started
Roy
here.
Evans, this is inside, plays the little ball inside. It's time to Chandler, who reverses his direction to find Odell. Odell all the way back. It's very, it's nice stuff here. Odell on his bike down
the ball low and sweetly. Tremendous free kick.
Weaving his magic web and putting the ball across to Calvin. Sets Calvi free, pass one, past the second man as well. Turns on a dime. This time finding.
Have to be in attack mode all the time.
Gordon going near corner,
and
that one made it in.
Well, it's not the worst goalkeeping play we've seen in the soccer world today, but definitely you'd like to see something better out of Marcinkowski here.
To see how the two teams handled the rain delays, we see a giveaway there to Gordon.
Yeah, not the guy you want to give it away to. Gordon fires. Sayus again up to the...
Gordon makes the turn there on the delivery. 3 collapse on him, but he's able to break free. Omar in the box. Omar, what a move! Omar can't finish. Great save with the left foot there by Marcinkowski. Onside is Presley. Back across, deflected on save. Gordon the rebound. San Antonio FC, the 2-1 lead.
Covering into, you're going to see that ball come off of Berry, I think, and the leaker keeps it out. Falls right to Omar Gordon, who just drives it back on there.
King into the area. Here's Gordon making the turn with a strike. Omar Gordon, the equalizer. He's done it again.
Omar Gordon deserves that tonight. He's has done a fantastic job for SAFC tonight and carrying the load in the attack. a great finish, very timely for SAFC.
Sean Fraser, his shot blocked. McGee trying to stab it forward to Peter Lee Battle. McGee with the effort, the keeper collects. Darius Stewart. Stewart does well. Tariq McGee, Peter Lee Vassell.
Just a little undercooked from McGee. Vassell wanted it a little bit more firm.
You wouldn't have expected him to take the shot with his right foot. He was looking for the pass, and it just didn't work out for him there in the end.
Well,
he doesn't get it.
Oh.
Vassell does really well to win it back.
That good turn of pace because Roshane Sharp was trying to run by him. Good speed, good strength from Vassell. The good players always look to have time on the ball, i.e. Tariq McGee.
Here's another one. Peter Lee Vassell.
Oh, yes.
Weatherly picks it up. Harvey was in the way. The keeper will collect, or will try to. Doesn't really hold on to it. Sharp forced away from goal. Vassell puts it into touch.
He made a meal of it.
Players down for Portland United, but Harbourview will continue. McGee lays down to Vassell. Vassell with a ball to Weatherly. Couldn't quite get there. It was closer to the defender than it was to Weatherly. Vassell trying to play it upfield. Fraser trying to go between a couple of defenders and was fouled. Free kick. Vassell. McGee, seconds remaining in this first half, finds Vassell. 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 McGee looking for that additional space again. McGee on his left foot. Was he tripped? He was. Free kick. Poor ball. Vassell now collects. Harbourview will try again. Poor ball from Peter Lee Vassell.
Yeah, I wanted Beckford to run, but Beckford wasn't running, so he shouldn't have passed the ball there. Could have taken it a bit further. Peter Lee Vassell disappointed with himself more than the fact that his teammate didn't give him the passing option he wanted to get position in those pockets.
Referee said and we are ready.
The rule is to continue to drive for the development of the game here. Although players are selected from clubs abroad, they were developed in the league.
They're really quality players and they have really good attitude and you get your money's worth.
This match has turned up several gears.
All right, so this is the start of the second half for the JFF Premier League playoff between Molynes United and Lime Hall, and there has been a substitution. We're gonna get the person that came off. It was the man Mario Smith that came on for Lime Hall. And it seems to be the man Maurice Mitchell that came off for Lime Hall. So you see Maurice Mitchell on the bench, so he is the man that came off, the number 8. So if you're just joining us for the start of the second half, this is an opportunity presented for Lime Hall to maybe get an equalizer. Headed out. Collected. And there's a jostle for possession there. And it's still Ryan Brown with it. Now Akeem Stewart sends it forward to find Fakir Farquharson. And Shakloud just loses out. And now it's with Leon Evans. Evans of Lime Hall sends it across. And Hines sends it further forward, trying to find Wallace, but collected by Keith Green. Now it's with Hines once more. He's being challenged. It's still Hines. And a sliding challenge there. Sends that one out. And it will be a throw for Lime Hall. So, Lime Hall still have some work to do here. And just to reinform you that the officials here, Crystal Sobers from Trinidad, she's the referee, the official. And then we have Joseph Kerr as the first assistant, Rickton Archer as the second. The fourth official is Carvel Banton. An opportunity. No! And that's into the back of the net. The man Shaquille Wallace latched on to a ball, and there was a jostle for possession, but Lime Hall get their equalizer. And for the first time here in the JFF Premier League playoffs, a team has gotten an equalizer on Molynes United. So it's Lime Hall 1, Molynes United 1 here at Constant Spring. Saw that there was a chance to latch on to that one, the man Shaquille Wallace, and took advantage of that one and sent it past the goalkeeper Leon Taylor. So I repeat, this is the first time that a team in the JFF Premier League playoffs of 2019 has equalized on Molynes United. No team has ever done that, and Lime Hall is the first to do it. So it's a free kick. Free kick quickly. Wallace. Over to find McCoy, who sends it forward. Keem Stewart. Ball sent across now to find for Keith Farquharson. Now it's with Akeem Stewart, who sends that ball forward. Trying to find Tariq Wilson. And getting some scores. Veer United, who was formerly called Jamalco, they're leading 2-1 against Downs. And at halftime, Falkland and Baptist, they're locked at 0-0. Ball set for now for Keebe Farquharson with an opportunity, and that's 2-1. They're back into the lead. That didn't take long. That did not take long at all for Keebe Farquharson, the fourth player for Molynes United to score, and they're back up by 2-1 for Keebe Farquharson. Saw that there was nobody coming to him, and I'm not sure as to why anybody didn't, but he's the one that was wide awake. The defense was asleep, but he was wide awake. That was not the best clearance at all, and they didn't close down the space properly. What a skill there by Keebe Farquharson. And the man, Histon Henry, could not reach that one in time. And that celebration just came to match, but still a celebration nonetheless. Molynes United back in the lead by 2-1 here. And they may be on course to win all 3 matches that they've played so far. Molynes United, my oh my. And in the 53rd minute, the score has been updated. And so Very United, they lead by 3-1 against Downs FC. So Downs, they're trailing by 3-1 against Veer United. Defensive work there by Molynes. Sent forward to find Ryan Brown, he's being challenged. Sent across trying to find Shiklood, and an appeal for a handball there by Ryan Brown. Crystal Sobers was having none of it, but it goes into touch and it's still possession, Molynes United. Defensive error by Lime Hall, and they haven't done that in this matchup. And I'm not sure as to why they made such a horrendous mistake. But the man for Keebe Farquharson takes it and takes it well. Now an opportunity. Otis Friend chips that ball across. Will for Keebe Farquharson latch on. Seems as though he doesn't. And he doesn't, and it will be a throw for Lime Hall as the rain begin to pour down here at Constant Spring Football Field. Second match we've done so far, and it has rained for the second time. So will the third mean that there's a let-up, or will this be a continuation of showers? It's a shower of blessing for Molynes United, I can tell you that. And Molynes United, they've not lost a match so far. 2 players are down on the field. And it's the man Akeem Stewart and also the man Zidane Brown. And the medical staff for both teams is summoned from their respective benches, as we see again here. It's an apparent clearance by the man Leon Evans. And those are deflection by the man Mikali McCoy, and a beautiful skill there by Keebe Farquharson, turned by McCoy and placed it to the keeper's left. And that was all she wrote. And we see the medical team for Molynes United helping out Zidane Brown from Lime Hall. And a shake of hands there from the man Kivani Hilton. Thanking him for helping him at that point in time. But the medical team for Lime Hall has it now. And the magic spray, as they call it. I'm not sure how it works, because normally when you're injured, boom, you spray it and you're okay. I'm not sure as to how it works. I'd probably have to ask the medical team how it works, and it's actually the coach as well of Lime Hall that attended to the man Zidane Brown. Not the first time. I've seen some coaches in Kasafa Super League, a part of the medical staff as well. Molynes United to Patrick Shiklood. Shiklood, who has 2 goals in this Premier League playoff. Chips that ball across, finds Akeem Stewart. There are now 4 goal scorers for Molynes United. 3 for Otis Friend, 2 for Patrick Chiclude, 1 for Sergina Frankson, and 1 now for Fakibe Farquharson. 4 goal scorers for Molynes United, and 2 of them have scored at least 1 goal. And 1 of them has scored at least 2. So, mix up there. Ball set across to Ryan Brown. Will it be? No, it's not. Brilliant save by the man, Houston Henry. Prevented Molynes from getting a third and prevented Ryan Brown from getting his first in the JFF Premier League playoffs. It actually went wide of the target, and that was again defensive error from Lime Hall. And that was a brilliant ball set across to Fakibe Farquharson. There was an appeal for an offside. And it seems to be given, but I'm not sure if that was. Put it on. That was with Tyreek Wilson. Tyreek Wilson sends it back for Farquharson, the goal scorer. One of the goal scorers for Molynes United. And that ball last touched Andrew Dixon. Through for Molynes. Take it quickly. Keith Wright. And now an opportunity. They lose possession. Zidane Brown over to Andrew Dixon. Sent forward. And now collected by Molynes United. Turning is Tyreek Wilson. Sent it forward. Tried to find out his friend. And the man, Rowan. The man, Keith Hines. Let that one run into touch. And it's a throw. Take it quickly. Sent forward. And you see the man, Lige Sims, here. Just venting his frustration there to the coaching staff. But I'm not sure as to why he should be venting. This was a golden opportunity now for Wallace. But brilliant goalkeeping there from the man, Leon Taylor. That was an opportunity and a half for the man, Wallace. Molynes United. Ryan Brown sends it back. Twisting and turning. Ball sent forward. Ryan Brown dispossessed by Evans. Player was still down on the field, though, his friend. And Ryan Brown gets it back. And the man for Fakibe Farquharson just going to keep that one in play. It's a throw. Take it quickly. Ryan Hall has to do something here. The approach. We're approaching 58 minutes. Just over 32 minutes left in this contest. 32 minutes left for Lime Hall to maybe win this match, because still a lot of time. Over half an hour to go. Molynes United give up possession. Evans. Wallace dispossessed. Now one opportunity. Molynes United sends across. Patrick Chiclude will try to latch onto it. And he does keep that ball in play. But it's straight to Lime Hall. Oh, that was a clattering challenge there. And will be a free kick for Lime Hall. And there will be a yellow card brandished. You see another look at the half opportunity for the man Shaquille Wallace, the goal scorer for Lime Hall. And you see, take a look at the Sliding challenge here. It's the man, Jermaine Reed, that will receive the yellow card. So, clattering challenge, cynical in my book, and Sobers agrees and brandishes the first card of the contest. So, Jermaine Reed receives a yellow. Now the magic spray. Zidane Brown. Spray that I still will try to get word on how it works. Just spray and boom, you're fine. I'm not sure as to how that works, but someone says that's why it's called magic. And you got that right. That's why it's called magic indeed. Free kick for Lime Hall. The man standing behind this one is Rowan Swell. So opportunity presented for them to maybe swing this one inside the 18-yard box. He does. Headed out by Molynes United. Otis Friend tries to latch on. He does. And he's being challenged. He's trying to use his pace to get by Andrew Dixon. He's now having some more trouble with Macaulay McCoy. And that ball intercepted. Free kick for Molynes United. 62 minutes gone in this contest. About 28 to go by my indication. And again, Shaquille Wallace dispossessed. Ball set across now to Fakibe Farquharson. Oh, brilliant work to get by the man McCoy. And an opportunity now. And oh, that was a brilliant save there from the man, Houston Henry. That was an opportunity for them to get their third. They've been roaring in the second half. Molynes United, rightfully so. What a save there by the man, Houston Henry. He was probably creeping to his left. And there's another substitution, the man, Zidane Brown. He's too injured to continue. So the man, Javal Stoddart, he's going to replace him. What a chance for Molynes United to go 3-1 ahead. Ball set inside. Not the best goalkeeping. And for Fakibe Farquharson, collected by Henry. Sent forward. Only one man there, but it meets a Molynes United player, Dixon. Sends it over. It's actually Brian who sends it forward. The referee says no foul. That was Patrick Chiclude. Molynes United going forward. Patience is a virtue, they say. Reed gives it away. Now it's with the man Sewell. Sewell to Wallace. Wallace tries to go forward but meets the man Frankson. Now it's with Stewart. Stewart sends it forward. Oh, that's brilliant. 1-2 passing there from Molynes United. What will be the result? Send across. Oh, that was something that should have been converted. What a chance for Molynes United once more. What a chance. And that was some brilliant running there by the man, Akeem Stewart. but they still have possession. Molynes United could do something here. And Otis' friend loses it, and that was a cynical challenge, and that will be a yellow card. And Crystal Sobers gives Fakibe Farquharson the second caution of the game. What a run there by Akeem Stewart. The man Macaulay McCoy could not catch up to him. And again, Ryan Brown just cannot put that one away. That is the second golden opportunity he has gotten since the second half has started. And he cannot convert. My oh my, what's the situation here? And now we see the challenge. Again, the referee says no foul. Crystal Sobers says play on. Shaklood sends that ball forward, trying to meet Ryan Brown, but Lime Hall regains possession. Ryan Brown gets it, eventually gets past Leon Evans, and now we will try to get past the player. Oh, what a save, what a miss. What a miss. That was very, very close. That's the closest he's come to scoring. What a chance again. Ryan Brown, what can you do? What can you do? That was another opportunity for Ryan Brown to get a goal here in the Premier League playoffs. What a chance. And Ryan Brown, if you are him, you'd say, what else can I do? As we see, Sewell sends it back to the goalkeeper, who boots it upfield. Left it by Shaklood. Now it's with Friend. But his friend chips that ball forward. Oh, what a challenge there by the man Andrew Dixon. Boots straight to the thigh, and she will brandish another yellow card. So Sobers isn't playing here in the second half. Hey, at all, look at the opportunity from Ryan Brown. Sent across, and I think the keeper would have been beaten. Opportunity presented now. Side netting. And it's a goal kick for Lime Hall. Lime Hall better be careful as we approach 69 minutes here. 67 minutes, I should say. And it's just under 23 minutes to go. Lime Hall has to produce something here. Romario Smith. That one goes into touch, and it will be throw. For Molynes. Wallace will try to latch on. He's been challenged by the man Smith. Molynes gets possession now. Ryan Brown. He still hasn't gotten up. Now he does, slowly but surely. Otis Friend. Molynes United tries to regain possession. Referee says get up, no, play on. Tulloch sends it forward. Now it's with the man O'Keefe Hines. That ball rolled into touch, and it will be a throw for Lime Hall. Javal Stoddart sends it inside. Collected by the man Leon Taylor. Rolled quickly. Will be goal kick. Get it on by Stoddart. Collected by Jermaine Reed, but flicked over the head there by Hines. Now it's Stoddart. Sends it forward. Tulloch back for Stoddart. Sends it forward for Wallace. There's no one there to meet it. regain possession. Leon Evans. Limehall regains possession once more. And they're just going to keep that one in play. And it is a throw for Molynes United. Through taken. Keep focusing over to Shaklood. Shaklood sends it forward to find Ryan Brown. Ryan Brown, opportunity. It's still Ryan Brown. He collects. Leon Evans. The referee says it's a goal kick. And there will be a substitution in the offing. It's the number 4, Kimani Hilton. He's coming off for Limehall, and Shamario Horton is coming on based on what I see from the 4th official, Kaveh Banton. It's a man friend to Wilson. His ball intercepted. Ball sent forward, and his ball intercepted by Stewart. In a darting run to keep it Farquharson. Dispossessed there by the man Sewell. And now we will confirm the substitution. So the man Kimani Kilton, he's coming off. And then the man Shamario Horton, he's going to make his way onto the field. Another chance. Free kick there for Molynes United. And it will be another corner for Molynes United. And it will be the man Chadwick Prawl that will make his way here. And of course the man Ryan Brown, who hasn't played particularly well. He played much better in the second half, I can tell you that. But he has not played the best today. I can tell you that he played much better in the playoffs of the CASAFA Super League. And he had 2 golden opportunities in this matchup, especially in the second half, particularly that saw 2 shots go agonizingly wide. But Prawl will make his way, Chadwick Prawl, into the play now. Short corner, sent it side. And defensive work there by the man Leon Evans. It goes behind. It will be another corner for Molynes United. Just over 73.5 minutes gone here at Constant Spring Football Field. This is the Kingston field that they will be using to play for the JFF Premier League playoffs. Limehall from St. Anne looking to spoil the party. They have time. And the man Houston Henry collects a second time. Fumbled the first. Tried to find the man Shaquille Wallace, but Shagina Franklin does his defensive work. And more than that, he sends a pass upfield. Now it is for Keith Farquharson. He's challenged by... He was challenged McCoy. It's a throw, however. Boston forward now trying to find the player Horton. But it goes into touch for a throw. Throw taken quickly. Tulloch trying to find the man Horton once more. Defensive work there by Keem Stewart, but there's a jostle for possession. Otis Friend sends it forward to Chadwick Prawl, but just couldn't latch on to that one. Prawl will try to do it once more. Andrew Price is there with him. Andrew Dixon. Andrew Price. But Dixon. Now Shaquille Wallace. He's been hounded there by the man Ronaldo Smith. Now it's Faith Hines. Keem Stewart sees that one through. Goes behind. Will be a goal kick. Quarter of an hour still left to play are the words of Martin Tyler. And it is a quarter of an hour left to play here at Constant Spring. 75 and a half minutes to be exact. 14 and a half if you want to become technical. And that's how many minutes are left here at Constant Spring for this JFF Premier League playoff between Molynes United and Lime Hall. Sergino Frankson put Molynes United ahead before an equalizer by the man Shaquille Wallace. And then beautiful work by the man Fakibi Farquharson puts them ahead. And so Molynes have now 4 goal scorers so far in the JFF Premier League playoffs. One has scored 3, one has scored 2, and 2 have scored 1 apiece. Beautiful interception by Otis Friend, the leading goal scorer for Molynes. And it's still Otis Friend, sends that one inside, but collected nice there by Andrew Dixon. Otis Friend will try to latch on once more. He'll let that one run. It will be a throw for Molynes United. Defensive work there by Javal Stoddart. Goes into touch, however. It will be a throw. Collected by Henry. Sends that ball up. And again tries to find Wallace. Tariq Wilson. Gets by Man Horton. Now it's with Prawl. Prawl lays it back for Friend. Friend does a little flick over. And that's not the best decision by the goalkeeper, Histon Henry. He's lucky that there was no other Molynes United player there inside the 18-yard box. Would have been trouble. Collected by Akeem Stewart. Oh, beautiful work there to give the ball back to Akeem Stewart, but equally not as good for Shaklood once more. McCoy over to Horton. Horton sends that ball forward to try and find Shaquille Wallace. Wallace will collect. He has Hines there for company, but it's collected by Keith Wright. Keith Wright now on the ball, gets by Wallace. Goes behind, and it will be a throw for Lime Hall. Time is ticking away for the St. Anne team to maybe at least salvage something. And so Patrick Shaklood is down on the field at the moment. And it seems to be maybe his left calf. That's the problem. That's where the ice is being applied. And we see Histon Henry from Lime Hall there for comfort. But Shaklood is up and he's okay. Shaklood actually has 2 goals for Molynes United in these JFF Premier League playoffs. And those 2 were scored against Wadada. So he's the man in second in terms of the amount of goals that have been scored for Molynes. So if you put that into perspective, that's 7 goals scored by this team. 2 here today, 3 against Wadada, and 2 against Baptist. Beautiful Beautiful work by Dixon. Swings that one inside the 18-yard box. Hit it out. Mix up there in terms of miscommunication, in terms of who would get the ball. And now, Chadwick Prawl. There's an appeal for handed ball. The referee says no. Sober says play on. Chadwick Prawl gets by one. Couldn't get by the second. Evans, tall figure. And now the sun is out. Here at Constant Spring. Keith Hines couldn't get to that. Now it's Sergina Frankson. Passing forward now. Chadwick Prawl will try to latch on to it. The goalkeeper Histon Henry there. Equally to it. Beautiful work again by Lime Hall. And the referee says it's a handed ball by Fakibi Farquharson. Free kick for Lime Hall. 80.5 minutes gone. 9.5 minutes to go. There's still time to maybe get a winner. There's a player down on the field. Seems to be the man, Shaquille Wallace. We'll just get confirmation. Seems to be the man Dixon that was down on the field. So he's up, it's fine, and it's a goal kick for Molynes. So Molynes doing well so far here in the Premier League playoffs. I can tell you by my indication that this, if memory serves me correctly, this will probably be the only team so far that has 3 victories. So there's another substitution. In the offing. And it's Peter Green that is coming on. And it seems to be Patrick Chiclude that's coming off. So Peter Green coming on for Patrick Chiclude. I'm guessing Lish Sims wouldn't want further injury to one of their target men for Molynes. They need every bit of it if they want to go to the Premier League. So it is Patrick Chiclude that is off for Molynes United. Beautiful work to get by one, able to get by the other team, and it's still Lime Hall. And defensive work there by Molynes United. Chadwick Prawl, too much on it. Lime Hall regains possession. Saman Horton, referee says it goes into touch and it will be a throw. And he expresses his disappointment in not giving the foul to the second official, Rickton Archer. Second assistant, I should say, Rickton Archer. Another throw for Lime Hall. Ball sent forward. Now they can counter. Molynes United. Portrait for to find the man Prawl, but couldn't. Histon Henry shows some level of discomfort. Defensive work there by Keith Wright. Goes into touch and it will be a throw. Leon Evans. That ball forward. It was an appeal for a foul. And now an opportunity. Keith Wright prevents the corner. Instead, there's a throw. Headed out by Frankson. Keebe Farquharson challenged by Hines. Not the best defensive clearance. And now, 89 minutes to go. Garrington Baker adds a fourth for Vere United. So Vere United leading by 4 goals to 1 against Downs in the 89th minute. We approach 90 minutes here, 86 minutes to come now. Now it's Wallace, he's dispossessed, now it's Akeem Stewart. Sends it over, and that ball set forward just couldn't find the man Peter Green. And now it's with Dixon. Dixon swings that one inside, 18-yard box, will be collected by Leon Taylor. Comfortable. Don't forget, on June 9, that's next week Sunday at 4:30 EDT, but 3:30 here. It's gonna be here at the Constant Spring Football Field. Molynes United versus Downs FC. Downs FC will be looking to turn their luck around. The Barbados knockout competition, the semi-finals, is playing now live on our Appen website. Weymouth, they're facing off against Britain's Hill. And also coming later at 7, it's Barbados Defence Force against Ellerton Football Club. And don't forget, we have a 24/7 Red Star Premier League stream. And it will be from 2016 to 2019. We have all of that and many, many more on our website and our mobile app, Island Sports Network. For our website, it's www.islandsports.net. And in the Google Play Store and Apple Store, it's Island Sports Network. You'll see it and you'll know it. So remember, guys, if you want to watch this one, it's on the website for free. It's on the website. And the sun is out. And it's blazing. I tell you, Jamaica is a tropical marine, has tropical marine climate, no joke. When it rains, it pours. But when it's sunny, especially in the summertime, it's blazing hot. But blazing hot, I can tell you, the Lions United and their Premier League playoff run, they have not lost, they have not gotten a draw, they have won all their games so far. 89 minutes have elapsed, 50 seconds to go, and then also Carvel Banton will see how many minutes should be added on. Umpire free kick and a handed ball there from Lime Hall. An opportunity presented. Molynes still trying to get a third and maybe seal it. Carver Banton indicates 3 minutes of added time as we see 90 minutes have elapsed. 3 minutes of added time, and this will conclude the end of this matchup. Through. Taken. McCoy sends that ball way forward to try and find his teammate, Mario Smith. But McCoy has it, and a shot at goal. It's not that far, you know. Maybe too close for comfort for the goalkeeper, Leon Taylor, but it is, in fact, a goal kick. A minute and a half to go until it is all done and dusted here today, as we see another substitution for Molynes United. The man, Romalia Williams, he's coming on. I'm not sure who's coming off. I'm not really taking anybody off at this point in time, but it's the coach and his decisions. So it is another substitution. So the man Romalia Williams, he's coming on. I'm gonna try and see who's coming off. It seems to be Ronaldo Smith that is coming off. No, it's not. It's for Kibi Farquharson. That is coming out or came out. So 3 minutes have elapsed. I would think that this will be the last kick of the contest. He's still going on. And that is the end of that. 2 goals in the second half, one for each team. And that meant that Molynes United get another victory. So that's 3 from 3. And Molynes United end today's proceedings with another victory. So at the end of 90 minutes, it is Molynes United 2, Lime Hall 1. So we're going to cut to some quick commercials. We're going to get some replays of what transpired here in the first half, and you be the judge of what happened. And remember, guys, we can't thank you enough for joining us. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, it's $3.99 for our mobile app and our website. Once you subscribe, you get all content. Remember, 24/7 RSPL 2016 to 2019. The BDF will be facing Ellerton Football Club and Weymouth there in their semi-final knockout competition of the Barbados Premier League. So thank you guys so much. We're going to go. And now the replays.
And we are ready.
The rule is to continue to drive for the development of the game here. Although players are selected from clubs abroad, they were developed in the league.
They're really quality players and they have really good attitude and you get your money's worth.
This match has turned up several gears.